Open heavens over us, Lord. Pour your spirit like the rain. Every dry